o isang particular na empleyado ng isang government agency na inireklamo. Paano po yung proseso? I-refer po ba ito? Sino ang judge? Kayo na rin ba ang judge?
Unang-una po, kailangan magreklamo. Diba? You can email us at complaints@artal.gov.ph. Of course, we respect the rights of not only the complainant but also the respondent. We observe due process. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng hearings. Nagkaroon ng opportunity for the respondent to submit their counter affidavit, no? And then after due investigation, our findings and recommendations ay kung dismiss, of course, dismiss. Kung may for finding, we refer it either to the Office of the Ombudsman or the Office of the Civil Service Commission and other appropriate court. No? So hindi po tayo sometimes confined, sometimes, no? Pag the complaint does not really involve even Republic Act 1102 or the Use of Privileges Law, pag ito po involving violation of anti-graft and corrupt practices, we refer it immediately to the Office of the Ombudsman para wala pong conflict, wala po tayong encroachment on the jurisdiction of the Ombudsman.
Okay. Thank you, Secretary. Salamat.